Ew, this is so disgusting. My cat brought this little baby bunny on my deck and I saw it and I thought it was a kitten. I don't know, they're all fixed, but I thought it was a kitten. Turns out it was a baby bunny. And she left it here for like, I don't know, a solid 30-40 seconds. And then she started playing with it and I thought, oh, well, that's sweet. And now she's fucking eating it. She ate the head. She started with the head and the face. And now the face is gone, bones, ears, and all. And she's eating bit by bit, and I can't get over this. So naturally, I grabbed my camera and thought everyone needs to see this. And there's Bunny. Baby bunny with no head. No head, there's no bone. She just chewed on the ears as if it was fucking double mint gum. And you can see my other cats are just like, what is this? This is what happens when you let your female cats outside. A call of nature. Someone called National Geographic. This is disgusting. And yet I can't stop watching. I don't know how she's doing it. She's eating the flesh under the skin, under the fur. And yeah, great. There it is, headless bunny. And what bothers me is that there's no bone. Like, what is she doing? There's just no bone. And how I know that they have animals on the deck is they leave the stomach. They never eat the stomach or the intestine. So you'll find like guts all over the deck. But after a while, that gets pushed away. But this, I've never seen this. Every now and then they'll bring a dead chipmunk or a dead mouse or a mole or something and they leave it on the deck and they forget about it. They just don't eat it. So then we have to bury them or push them away. But because our deck is on the main level. Alright, that's enough of that garbage. What is, oh. So in all her glory of eating the fucking rabbit, she just threw up. Look at this face. She just threw up all those guts. I don't know what that is. That's probably face. There's some ear, throat. She hasn't even gotten to that. And now she's just like, la la la, I'm done. She ate whatever she ate. And here we have the body and throw up of the bunny. What is that? Ear? Don't eat that! That's disgusting! Ugh. Stop it! No! Do not eat that! Shoot! Hey! Hey! No! 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 Don't eat it! Stop it! No! Garbage can! Girl, there goes the other cat. This one needs a full dental work, and she's like, I'm just gonna eat the rabbit. Okay. I'm gonna go back inside. And now the other cat is coming. Tiger made an escape for it, so she's missing all the bunny glory. I don't even know what to say, guys. Like, this is disgusting. And yet, this is nature. This is what they do. My cats happily eat cans of tuna. And I'll bring them turkey. And, you know, they love butter. And parathas. But This is just... Yeah, for anyone who's wondering, I have 4 cats, 4 female. 3 of them are definitely fixed, and I'm pretty positive my white one is fixed too, but they live on this deck. This deck is on the main level, as you can see. It's not like we're on the 2nd floor, we're on the 1st floor. They were born right here on this deck. So, okay. Great. Bye. Alright, what do you have to say for yourself? What is this? But I will say that for a 10-year-old, 11-year-old cat, not bad. Isn't she pretty? Disgusting. Pretty but disgusting. Okay. Right? Yeah, we're still going to town on this thing. Okay. Great. I will never look at rabbits the same way again. And what's funny is I was telling my mom I wanted a pet bunny. Not possible, is it? You don't have any working teeth. Yeah, see, now you're gonna vomit. You guys shouldn't be eating this. I'm not gonna feed you for a week if you eat that. You go ahead, eat the vomited up parts. I don't care. Ugh. Goodness. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours. It's like noon, and this is the status of the bunny. Still the same, headless, and the front paws are missing. And there's no cats in sight anywhere. I think they're done. And it's starting to get a little funky out here. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is... whatever. Anyway, even the flies are like, maybe we shouldn't eat this. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna get rid of this.